Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. This truck is for sale, so I wanted to do a separate video for it. It's a 1972 Chevy C10, and I'll get the information on it. It's got a Cadillac engine, and it looks like a big motor, so I'm wondering if this is a 6.0. And it is very, very nice, very straight. You can see down the side, it's straight as an arrow. Great looking wheel and tire setup. Boy, oh boy, that's a sweet truck. I like that padded dash with the stitching on it. You can see that it has AC. Great looking truck. Love the color combination, especially with that wood, the contrast. And I'll get the for sale information here in a minute. Really a nice truck. So this is the last year for this body style. And here is the information. 928-460-0431. And it's a resto mod. They're asking $67,000 for it. And it says it's a California truck. So anyone interested in it, give them a call.